Right, so this is an idiot guide of how to remove a speedo out of a Corsa C or combo van. Now, obviously I have already got it out because I'm in a little bit of a raging mood, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to do the mervia dash upgrade. So, to get the speedo out, all you need to do is remove your lower trim. You then remove the nut underneath the steering column, i.e. plastic crap. Lift the top out and you've got a screw either side. Remove your stalks by clipping into them and then remove the two screws, and then you've got one hidden at the top. The unit then just pulls out and you can unplug it like so. Once you've got the speedo, turn it over. You get your magical tool and just unscrew all of these, and then the back cover will come off, which you shall see. Oh bloody hell, it's quite hard to say. Which you will see in a minute. Okay, so obviously undo all the screws and that panel will then come off. Then it leaves you with the fascia on the unit. What you want to do is grab a spoon and then you're prising it from underneath, and then it leaves you with this. So if you can imagine the fascia's on, you want to be prising at these pins, and then you just literally put the new fascia on. Same for the mervia one, but you must use your Corsa bottom unit. Rebuild is the same as how you take it apart. Just make sure your needles are in the right location. Just a final tip before obviously you go hell for leather. Don't put the plastic cover on until you plug it in. So you can have all your needles set, but it needs to calibrate. So plug the connector in, pop your ignition on, and then you can make sure then everything is calibrated to how it was previously. Even start the engine, take it for a drive. If you're happy with it, then put your plastic cover on. Reason why it's easier to adjust the needles by hand while it's in the dash, rather than having to take everything back out to redo it. So yeah, hopefully I've been some form of help. I will try and do better guides soon. Today was just kind of, me.